Alright, Muggles. Today we will learn simple present tense. When we use a simple present tense, let's see.
So, what is simple present tense and how we use it? The simple present tense is used for things that are true, like habits, routines, and schedules in the present. We use it to talk about facts and actions that happen regularly or always. So, basically, your normal life, not magic, just reality. Now, look at the timeline. This tense is not just about now. It's something true in the past, present, and future. So it never changes, like your love for cafe. Let's talk about structure. For positive sentences, we use subject, verb, and object. Verb, base form, always. Easy, no drama. For negative sentence, we use subject, do not, or does not, and as always, verb 1, the base form. Okay? See, we just add a little not and suddenly everything is negative. For questions, we use do or does, subject, and verb. Verb again, base form, don't forget that. And here is the most important rule.
When we are talking about he, she, or it, the verb needs a little extra flair. We don't just leave it hanging, we give it a tail. For most verbs, just drop an S at the end. For example, he walks into the room like he owns it. If the verb ends in a abusive sound, give it an ES. For example, she watches the sunset every single day. Don't forget to S and ES. And if you forget to S and ES, trust me, Snap is not going to be happy. We often use time words like always, usually, often, sometimes, every day, rarely, never, on Mondays. These help us understand the routine.
Now it's your turn, Muggles. Answer the questions in the comments below. I will be waiting to see your answers. Thank you for watching and don't forget, practice your magic. I believe in you.